Welcome to IncreaseRSS.com's video tutorial series. This is part 2 in your guide to increasing your web traffic. In this video, we will cover optimizing the access to your website using SEO. Once you have finalized your website and perfected the content to appeal to prospective visitors, it's time to do the same for the ways in which users will find your website, in a process known as search engine optimization, or SEO for short. There are professionals who offer SEO services for a fee, or you can follow some of these common SEO steps. There are 3 ways visitors will find your site: typing in the address directly, clicking a link on another site, or as a result on a search engine such as Google, Yahoo, or Bing. While the first 2 ways to accessing a site are important factors in website traffic, search engine hits are typically the most common ways a website is visited. Search engine results depend on how closely a site matches the search criteria users have entered into the search box. The goal of search engine optimization is to improve your site's results ranking when certain keywords are searched. Keywords are words frequently associated with the primary topic of the content of your site. If you have a site, like IncreaseRSS.com for example, that has a primary focus of internet-based tutorials and blogs, keywords for that site might be web traffic, increase RSS, and increase traffic, so that when an internet user does a search for some combination of those terms, IncreaseRSS.com will be displayed as a match. There are many steps in ensuring the keyword matches are found. First and foremost, your keywords must be part of your website content, so that when search engines review or crawl your website, the association with the keywords can be made. You want to pick your keywords carefully, as some keywords may have more than one meaning, or could associate your site with different search criteria, unrelated to your site's content, and actually hurt your web traffic. Try to choose between 2 and 3 primary keywords for your page. You can find a wide variety of sites through a simple search engine search that can help you determine what keywords have a high search engine ranking. Once you've chosen your keywords, make sure to use them often in your content. This is so when search engines crawl your site, the repetition of the keywords will be recognized and associated with your site when those keywords are searched. You can also include your keywords in pictures and other non-text content through the use of metadata. Metadata is the information embedded in various objects on your site, like pictures and video content. By tagging your pictures and other non-text content with your keywords through metadata, you increase your site's association with those keywords through search engines. It's usually written inside the HTML code of the web page, or added through additional files uploaded to your server, and is read by search engines as they review your site. By tagging your pictures and other non-text content with your keywords through metadata, you increase your site's association with those keywords through search engines. If your website has more than one page, which is usually the case, you can broaden the recognition of your site by associating different sets of keywords for each page. This is particularly helpful for sites such as blog or tutorial sites, where each page may contain content pertaining to different topics, so the keywords for each of those pages can relate to each topic, which makes it easier for web users to find the content on your site that has the greatest appeal for them. Having your keywords peppered throughout your content is a great start towards optimizing your website, but it is only the beginning. For starters, search engines like Google, Yahoo, or Bing can take weeks, even months, before crawling your website and finding your keyword associations. You can speed this up by going directly to search engine data centers, where you can directly input your web address and sometimes include keywords to associate with your site, and the search engines will now crawl your site within a matter of days. You can find the data centers by going to these following addresses. For Google, go to www.google.com/add URL. For Yahoo, go to siteexplorer.search.yahoo.com and click on Submit Your Site. For Bing, go to www.bing.com www.webmaster/submit-site-page.aspx. You can also utilize the foreign extensions of these sites, such as .co.uk for the UK or .ca for Canada instead of .com, to access the foreign data center inputs for each search engine. This allows users doing searches outside of the US to find your site more readily through web searches as well. Adding keywords and submitting them to search engine data centers will not ensure a top spot in the search result rankings, but will help users find your site more readily. The more users find and click on your site, the higher your site will be in the search results. It can also be a good idea to repeat some of the optimizing steps, namely resubmitting your website to the various search engine data centers from time to time, and reviewing your website content to keep it up to date. Once these initial steps are taken in setting up your website and distributing information about it across the web, you can monitor your website with various tools and services found on the web. Two services in particular are provided by Google. They are Google Webmaster Tools and Google Analytics. To use either of these, you will need a free Gmail account. With Webmaster Tools, you can upload a sitemap, which is an index that helps search engines crawl your site and find the different pages on it. You can use Webmaster Tools to monitor the crawl rate or traffic of your website and see what keywords are used to find your site. Google Analytics offers in-depth analysis and statistics of how your site is used and can be utilized in conjunction with Google AdWords when monetizing your website. For more videos and blogs on managing your website and other useful internet-related guides, visit IncreaseRSS.com.